Hello viewers, thanks for watching. Now we're gonna learn about box model. You can see there are some definition on this CSS file. Each element is a box itself. What does it mean? It can be heading, it can be paragraph, or it can be a div element. Each of them is a box itself. We can change the size of the element by changing width and height. Let's browse box model on the website. Box model, click on image, so you can choose any one of them, maybe this one. In the middle there is the content can be text, picture, or video in the element. This is the box of the element. Suppose it is a heading and this is the content. So after that, padding. What is the padding? Padding is the space inside an element. That space is the distance between the border and content of the element. What is the border? Border is the frame of an element that separates the padding and margin. The border wraps the element. So margin is outside of the border and padding is inside of the border. So let's do the coding practice, then it will be clear. Let's do our coding practice with a new HTML file. Go to the Explorer, click on this square. In index.html, I already disabled the link, so you just need to select it, Ctrl// it will become a comment. So click on this new file and put any name, box, with the extension of HTML, exclamatory sign, and enter. It will create a HTML skeleton. Enter. And now we don't need this Explorer, we can hide it by clicking on this Explorer. Okay, this is the new HTML file. So we're gonna do our coding practice in between this opening and closing body text. H2, enter. I am a box model. We need to make a link in between this style sheet and HTML file. Under the title, type link, enter. Relation is style sheet and href should be the name of the CSS file. ./style.css. Just select it. Click on the go live. This is the heading 2. Go to CSS file h2. This is an element, so we don't need to put dot or hash. Just curly braces. Enter. Put a background color blue. Background color blue, but it goes all the way from left to right. Let's make set up a specific width. Max width with 200 pixel. Let's add some spacing inside this element. We need to put some padding on top, 20 pixel. H2 element creates some space inside the box, that is the top padding right, and 30 pixel. There is a on the right side. Padding bottom 35 pixel, the bottom as well 35 pixel of spacing added in this element. And if you want to add some padding on the left, you can put padding left 25 pixel. So we had to put these 4 values in separate 4 lines, but there is an option to write all these 4 values in one line. How to do that? Just write padding 20 pixel. So it starts from the top, then it goes to the right, 30 pixel, 35 pixel bottom, 25 pixel the left. So it works clockwise. Start from top, right, bottom, left. Control S. So is same. So it's just override these 4 values. Select them on Windows, Control/. So you can convert those 4 lines with this one line. Same way it's working. If your opposite values are same, then you can just put 2 values. Type padding. Suppose your top and bottom is 20 pixel, and right and left 30 pixel. Latest value will override the previous one, so just make the previous one comment. We can put just two values in one line, but it will work for four sides. So this 20 pixel is for the top and bottom, and this 30 pixel for the right and left. So if you want to put three values, in that case top padding is 20 pixel, right and left 30 pixel, the bottom is 40 pixel, left and right same distance, top is 20 pixel and the bottom is 40 pixel. Now you know you can put all four values in one line. Also, if you have the opposite values are same, then you can just put two values in one line. And now let's see the border. So what is border? Border is the frame of an element that separates the padding and margin. But the border takes three different values by itself. Those are the border thickness, border style, how the border should look like, and the color, what kind of color should be the border color. So this one as well, and disable. Let's make a paragraph in the box.html. After this heading, type p, enter this opening and closing p tags. Just type some dummy text, lorem 30, enter. This is our paragraph. Let's go to the style.css, p, curly braces, enter. Border should have thickness, 5 pixel is the thickness. Then we need the style, this, then color, yellow green, max width, let's put 300 pixel, and the background color maybe green, Ctrl S. This is our paragraph, and the border is 5 pixel. So thickness is 5 pixel, and style is dashed, and color is yellow green. If you change the color of the border, type black, style the dashed, and color is black, and thickness is 5 pixel. We can change the we can make solid as well. Right? Now solid black, and thickness is 5 pixel. This is the frame of the box. If you want to do some design on the corners of the box, just we need to work with the radius, border top right radius. We're gonna make a little bit round on this right corner, 10 pixel. See, little bit round on the right corner. If we put 20, it will more round. Border bottom left radius, 10 pixel. Just to make them comment, type border radius 10 pixel. Now border radius 10 pixel. What these are the default setting for the important browsers. If you want, you can add them, then it will work with any other browser. Forget about these things, just remove them. So 10 pixel, Ctrl S, 10 pixel round for the all four corners. So you can put just one value in one line, and it will work for all four corners. Like a oval shape, 50%. Forget it, leave it as it is, because these will work for the other browsers. And save it. Border is oval shape, so just leave it for 10 pixel. In this box, let's make some padding with 30 pixel. So now is the margin. What is margin? Margin is the space in between the border and any other element in the screen. So outside of the border is the margin. Just make it 10 pixel. Now we need margin top 10 pixel, 10 pixel margin on top of the border. We add some margin in our heading as well. Margin bottom 30 pixel. The bottom of this heading to box, there is 30 pixel of margin at the bottom and 10 pixel margin the top of the paragraph. So altogether there are 40 pixel of margin in between these two box. If we put a color for the body before the definition, curly braces, body background color is violet. For the H2, if you put margin bottom 0 pixel, so margin removed, there is no margin at the bottom of this heading to a box. This 10 pixel is the margin of the paragraph. In our paragraph, the margin, let's make it 30. This is the margin for paragraph. Margin left 20 pixel, margin added on the left of the paragraph. You can add margin for all four sides of the box, but I don't want to write them. I just want to put them in one line. Margin 30 pixel, then margin top and bottom 30 pixel, and right and left be another 20 pixel, 25 pixel. Let's make them comment. These are two values working for the four sides of the box, and for the heading 2 as well, we can add margin for the four sides. Put margin top. You can see some margin at the top, and that is the default margin. Just make it 0 pixel. The margin is removed. You put 20 pixel, then you can see it's added the 20 pixel. For the four sides, maybe we're gonna put just 20 pixel margin. Let's put 20 pixel as for 20 pixel of margin added outside of this heading box. Outside of the border is margin. That's all for today. Day by day we will learn more. So thanks for watching, and stay with me for the next videos.